Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Digis Site, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get Lyft Amp. So now let me tell you in detail how you can get that. So after you open your Lyft app, tap on three lines option at the top left. Now over here in my case you cannot see any option for the feature that is Lyft Amp. Now to receive your Lyft app, you must complete 250 rides and be in a city where the app is available. Once app has launched in your city and you have reached the app requirements, Lyft will send you an invitation and instructions on how to receive your amp as soon as it's ready. Now, one thing you have to make sure is that the app feature is available on your country, because there are certain countries, regions, and locations where the Lyft amp is not available. So, you may have to complete 250 rides in a city in order to get your Lyft amp. And this is it for today's video. I hope this video was informative to you. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.